Hey guys, Madi B here. Just wanted to go over real quick the Harmonic Scanner, how to read and utilize the Harmonic Scanner, for your best trading ability and profitable trades. So as we know, the Harmonic Scanner scans the market, the Forex market, and it picks up patterns based on its programming. When you log in, it's going to show you these different brokers here. Let's say you have Trader's Way, for example. You click on that broker and you can scan for M15, which is 15-minute time frames, or you can scan for 1 hour, 4 hour, or 1 day time frames based upon the patterns, okay? So here we see that there are patterns here. One of them I'm just going to pick as an example is CADJPY. Mind you, the market is live right now. This is the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. And so when I click that, it's going to populate the pattern that it picked up based upon these pairs and its software, right? So it's showing a bat pattern. So based upon this pattern, it's predicting that it's going to go up and it's going to hit here. There's a possibility to take profit 1. This is another take profit 2. And it can even go all the way up to take profit 3. And sometimes it can even go beyond. So the key here is to check the actual trade and see what trend that it is in. You want to make sure that the trading pattern is correct, right? In other words, if this is predicting that it's going to go up, you want to get in. If this isn't an uptrend, it's awesome. The trend is your friend. Never trade against the trend unless you're going in opposite direction. Some people do that and it works for them. For me, I found that the trend is my friend. So I'm going to trade based on the trend and the pattern, right? So here's predicting it's going to go up. So what I like to do is go to TradingView, tradingview.com. I created an account with TradingView. And what I do is I like to check the charts and to see what type of, what pattern that it is in. So I do like a comparison. When you log into your TradingView, when you create an account, you can create a free account. And when you create your account, you're going to set it up. And I'll do another video on how to actually set up your TradingView account. Here, I have already, I put my favorite trading pairs here. I can click on any of these pairs and it'll pull up here, CADJPY Forex chart. And if I scroll down, it's going to give me these linear charts. I don't like linear charts. Some people do. I like the candlestick look. It's going to show you a 3-month, 1 year, 5 year, and it'll show you even a daily chart. So I like to get up close and personal with my charts. So here, this lovely button that says interactive chart, you're going to click that. When you click that, it's going to open the actual chart for that pair. Here you can see the pair, CADJPY. I have my backdrop black. I just like it like that because for me, it feels like I can see better. I'm going to hit this circular button here. This is a reset. Let me move my face over a little bit. I'm going to hit this refresh button. It's going to refresh my window. And I just scroll it over and it's going to show me these beautiful candlesticks. Red are selling, blue are buying. This is actually in a 4-hour time frame. So if I minimize this, it'll give me an even more overview. By looking at this chart, what do you think the trend is? It's in a downward trend. Downtrend. Now, of course, in a downtrend, it still has the opportunity to pull back, which is what the market does. And that's part of analyzing the market, seeing when you're going to jump in, when the exact moment when you can get in and jump on and ride that wave. But here it's in a downtrend. I don't like to buy in a downtrend. Okay. So here it's showing that it has the ability to go up. Now it could go up, but if you look at a smaller time frame, now this is the hour, right? We were in Trader's Way, sorry. Now let's look at the 15-minute. Now if you look at the 15-minute chart, boom, look at that. It predicted around here that it was going to go up. but look what it did. So if you got in anywhere up here, you would have been stopped out immediately. And thank God, if you didn't put your stop loss, there for your risk parameter, then you would have lost quite a bit on that trade. It's a lot of pips here. But now, it did a pullback. It came back up here, and it looks like it's going down. Why? Because it's in a downtrend. So whenever you're looking at the harmonic scanner, guys, always, always, always make sure to double check. It's really easy. Go to Trading View and check what the trend is in that pair, in the overall pair. So let's take a look at another pair. Let's see. Remember, the Harmonic Scanner has a really good percentage of getting profitable trade ideas. You're trading at your own risk, and it's not guaranteed that you're going to get a good trade, right? But because of the, technical analysis and the trade that it picks up, a lot of times it is a great trade. So let's look at UCAD. Let's see what UCAD. UCAD is USD versus Canadian dollar. I'm going to minimize this. It was too big. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. This is a 4-hour time frame. It picked up a pattern here. It picked up a bat pattern. So it's saying if you were to enter here, you have the opportunity to go down to this first take profit zone here. You also have another take profit area and another take profit. Now, this is based on Fibonacci's as well. Fibonacci is great, a great tool that a lot of traders use. Gives them a more accurate area predictability of where they should come back in a trade, either if they've gotten out or if they want to jump in on a trade. So here it's showing you that if you get in here, this is the entry point for this trade idea. And then once it hits this, and hopefully it'll start going down, then you'll obviously have an opportunity to profit in any of these three areas. So let's see if the UCAD is in a downtrend because it's predicting a sell, right? So I go back to my trusty thing here, and guess I do have UCAD. So I'm going to click on UCAD. This is a 4-hour time frame. Now, this is interesting, guys, because if you look at this, it's been going up, up, up. Boom, it hit up here. Now it came back down, and it went up, and it vacillated here. Now it's here. Now, this could be a reversal. Here, if this hits around this area, which means it hits this area right here. Let me make a line here. Hopefully I'm not going in too deep for you guys, but I just want to kind of give you an idea. You see how this area here hit this wall of resistance? Now it hit it again, but then it shot through it right here, and it came back down, and it didn't go up to this line again. It stayed right around this area right here, which is another area of resistance. If you look at this here, which is really big, is a really good indicator in trading support and resistance. If you learn your support and resistance, it will help you so much. So here you can see this line that I just put here. It was an area of resistance here. It pushed past and hit this other line, but came back down and hit this area of resistance again. Now, mind you, this is a 4-hour time frame, right? So if I were to go down, let's say to a 1-hour time frame, and you see the two lines that I created here, you can see that this was a popular area of resistance. It was a ceiling here for these candlesticks up down here. They were hitting it. It was like a ceiling. And then here it became a floor. In other words, the candlesticks broke through, had a breakthrough, but yet they couldn't go back down. It became a floor, where here it was a ceiling. You see that? Now it's a floor. Now what's happens here is it went up above the floor. But if you could see here, this was a ceiling. Ceiling, ceiling, ceiling. It didn't. It was kind of a floor, but it didn't reach all the way down here. It had some resistance here. You could see this area here. This became a floor to this area. Now this floor, this came all the way down. Now it became a ceiling again. Now it's a ceiling. And if you look, boom, it's been coming close, but not close. No cigar, close. No cigar, closer. It hit again, and it didn't go through. It's hitting it again. It might not go through. So when we look at this, it's a good possibility that it is beginning a downward trend. That's where these candlesticks would come into play. But I won't go into candlesticks, but this is 1 hour candlestick. Okay, so going back to the Harmonic Scanner, this is a 4-hour time frame. Based upon this, it's saying that it's going to go down, and that could be a great possibility. Now, I might put a sell stop here. Sell stop just means that I won't wait for it to get a limit. I'll just wait for it. Once it does go up and it starts coming back down, I'll catch it on the way down if it's in an actual downtrend. So I hope this helped, guys. You can look up any trade here. Look up your broker. If you're looking for a quick trade, you can go into any of these. This is the Euro USD and a 15-minute time frame. Looks like we already missed that one. You see? Now this was a good one here. If you look at this, the Harmonic Scanner, caught a butterfly pattern with the Euro USD, and boom, it was accurate, on point. It had it went above the stop loss a little bit. Well, maybe a lot of bit. But if you would have put a sell stop somewhere around here, in between the entry point, or even if you would have done a sell stop at the entry point, and after it went all the way up, it would eventually have hit your sell stop, and you would have been in a profitable trade. And look, it came way down here. How awesome is that? See that? No, it's in a downtrend. Okay, so the Harmonic Scanner is pretty awesome. Guys, if you have any questions, you can inbox me, email me, Facebook me message me on Facebook, or send me an email, success@imarketstrade.com, if you have any questions or need help with setting up your Harmonic Scanner. And also logging in. Don't forget to log in to your IML TV and your back office for more trading ideas and trading webinars and your modules, so that you can learn as much as you can to get started in trading profitably and investing. See you guys. Have a great day.